Let's go to question number 1016. Missing element in sorted array. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a sorted array A of unique numbers, find the case missing number starting from the leftmost number of the array. Okay, let's check example 1. Input is okay. This is input, so missing between 4 to 7 is here. Missing part is 5, 6, right? So the first missing part is 5, so return 5. And then second is, this is 3, and then same number, and then 5, 6, and then here missing number is 8, right? So 5, 6, 8. This is third, so return 6. And then 1 to 4. Next one. One to 4 K3. In this case, 1, 2. Only here missing is 1. And then next 5, 6. So missing 1, missing 2, missing 3. So return 6. Does this make sense? Okay. Today I'm gonna show you the two approach. First is linear solution, and then second is the better than linear solution. Okay. First, let's start the linear solution first. First, I would like to make one function is the missing. Before that, okay, let's brainstorming. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, right? At that time, the if this one there are no missing, maybe value is 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And then this one we can also express nums 0 plus index, because this value is this one, this value is this one plus this one, and then 5 is this one plus 1, 6 is this one plus 2, 7 is this one plus 3. Does this make sense? So we can also calculate the missing number. In this case 0, 5 it is 2, because 4, 5, 6, 7, and then this case 7, 8, 9. So this is 1. So accumulate is 2 plus 1 is 3, right? And then in this case 9, 10, there are no missing number between 9, 10, so this is 7. And then we can also easy to calculate. This one is this one minus this one. This one minus this one is 3. This one minus this one is 3. Does this make sense? So this one we can calculate nums index minus this value. So we make the function missing part is this one, and then we will find the return value based on this function. So first I would like to make the function is the missing and input number in input index, and then just return this one. And then I iterate with the which one? That's right, index, because we just use index, right? I in range length nums, and then if missing I is which one? Bigger than k, right? Or okay, just bigger than k. If the bigger than k is, if k is 3, and then it find this one, right? So we need to find bigger equal, that is 9, right? So exactly we will edit this number plus k minus missing, right? And then return missing number. We needed to nums I minus 1. That is 7, right? Now we find that this value I is here, so we needed to calculate this one plus k is 3 minus this one, right? Minus missing I minus 1, right? That is this one. So we will use this one. And then that means if we did not find it, there are one scenario is our looking for value is this area out of the item of nums. So in this case, you make return nums. The final is length nums minus 1 plus k minus missing okay, let's test the code. Okay, looks good. Okay, now we make the better approach. Before that, I will give you some hint. Okay, in the first is we receive the sorted array. Sorted array means this one is smaller and then bigger. And then we just find the, like in this case, we just find the number is the 7, right? If just find the 7, we easy to calculate it. So this one is the, yeah, that's right, binary search. So we will use binary search, and then binary search format is quite similar or bisect on the bar right. So that means we needed to find this value. So at this time we find this value and minus 1. That is the bigger than this one, and then smaller than 9. Small equal than 9, smaller than 9, right? Small equal than 9. Yes, small equal than 9. Okay, so let's multiply it. I will use this missing function. And then we need the left to pointer, left is 0, and then right is length nums. If we want to use x minus 1, we need to do if length. Do you remember that one? Yeah, that's right. So we just use this one. And while left and right, and then width is left plus right minus left by 2 to avoid overflow. And then if missing mid is smaller than k, I'd like the left is mid plus 1, otherwise right is mid. And then return same as this one. At the time we also find I. Okay, looks good. Okay, good. In this case, time complexity is we use binary search. So this is log n time with constant space. Thank you.